Hello everybody and welcome to episode 0 of creating Diablo in Unity. So first things first, I just want to set some expectations for this series. In this series we're going to look at the core mechanics of classic ARPGs like combat, abilities, and loot. I'm going to take most of the functionality for this series directly from Diablo 2's mechanics, but I will also add optional mechanics in, like for example I'm going to do WASD movement as well as point and click movement. This series is obviously for educational purposes and we will not be using any assets from Diablo 2. All the assets I do use in the creation of this series I will link to if they are from the asset store. And lastly, I do want to say if you're familiar with my other project, my last tutorial series, Elden Ring in Unity, you will know that I had directly had another project to reference much of the code for because I am making a game as well. Well, in this series, I can reference things like Magic Find and the ability system for my game, but a lot of it I'm going to be doing off the cuff. That is to say, I will be creating the logic in the videos that you see mostly in real time, which translates to us probably having to go back and refactor or change things as I discover new ways to do things. So in contrast to Elden Ring and Unity, where I had a lot of things prepared ahead of time, in this series, I will be writing it as we go. This means the chance of going back and refactoring something or changing it later on is much more high than what it was in Elden Ring. With that being said though, all of the functionality we're going to implement in this series I have done in some kind of project before. And if you find yourself watching this series and you see my implementation of some functionality that you would do differently, please share it in the comments. I would absolutely love to hear it. I am developing my own game right now alongside of this, so I can't guarantee weekly uploads, but I will upload as much as I can. If you would like to check out my project, I will link the Steam demo below. It is an action ARPG with a combat of a Souls-like and the loot of a Diablo game. Okay guys, I think that is all that needs to be said. Episode 1 should be out a week or two after this video has been published. I will see you then.